Let's go out with atlacarte. At Atlacarte, we believe that booking and ordering in a venue should be safe and as easy as sending a message to a friend. In fact, that's exactly why we designed our newest feature, Atlacarte Group Chat. Simply create a group and add your friends to your chat, either when you book or as they join the table. Take a look at the smart menu to make the best choices for yourself and instantly place the order within the group chat. You can also order for your friends. Fancy getting around? When it's time to pay the bill, you can easily pay through the app for your own orders or treat your friends. And no one will be able to get away with not paying their part. Even friends that couldn't make it to your special day can still be a part of it. It's all just one chat away. Download now on the app and Play Store.